blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. No, I'm supposed to say hi my lovelies. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to another vlog. Chill. Today is Wednesday the 6th, is it? Yeah, it's the 6th of March and I don't have class today, so it's a pretty chill day. In the morning I cleaned my room, tidied up a little bit because yeah, it was not even a little bit, it was very dirty, so I had to clean it up, you know. And then I was supposed to go shopping, grocery shopping, but I'm feeling lazy. Like, I feel like the mistake I made was to eat. So I ate lunch. I was talking to my mom, then I ate lunch, and I'm just like, do I really want to go anymore? No, I don't. But anyways, today's to-do list, I had to clean my room, make a grocery list. I have to buy groceries, organize my groceries, cook dinner, and then yeah, just chillax. I did one of my assignments yesterday. I finished one of them. I was in the library for like 3 hours straight. So today I'm kind of having like an off day because like my head was hurting yesterday because I was looking at the screen for such a long time. So I'm not trying to do that today. I'm just gonna take a break today, just gonna hit pause, and tomorrow I'm gonna do the same thing. Probably stay in the library again, do some work because I was very productive. That's the most productive I've been in the library, because usually when I go to the library I'm always with someone I know, or I'll go and meet someone I know in the library and I would just talk instead of working. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. And last weekend I also went to watch my first ever Chelsea game, where it was a women's game. They were playing Leicester City. Flipping trains. Anyways, as I was saying before, I was really interrupted by the train. I went to watch a Chelsea game last weekend. It was my first ever Chelsea game. I was watching the women's. Sadly, one of my favorite players, Lauren James, was not playing because she was suspended, and I didn't know that prior to the game. So I was there and I was looking, I was like, where's Lauren James? And I'm looking at my friends, I'm like, guys, she's not there. I can only see Carter. Where's Lauren James? Like, where is she? So I go to the Chelsea thingy and I look at the lineup and she's not there. So I'm in the comments and this guy is like, and for all those wondering where Lauren James is, she was suspended for picking up her 5th yellow card. And I was like, damn. Couldn't see Lauren James. Sam Kerr is injured. So it was what it was. It was a nice game overall. People were texting me like, how's the atmosphere? What atmosphere? You could count the people who were there. Okay, no, honestly, there were some people, but like, you don't expect it to be like a men's game, obviously. But it was alright, honestly. Like, I enjoyed it. I liked it. There were not as many people. I hate being around a lot of people. So, I liked it. I enjoyed it. I did vlog that experience, and I'm just gonna like probably insert like some clips of that day. It's very short, not much, just like, you know.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. yeah. I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it for me. Time is up to guess
I'm very happy to have had that experience. You know, watch my first ever Chelsea game. Now hopefully I also get to watch the men, and yeah, we'll see how it goes.
My head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why.
So I just finished cooking. I'm very proud of how this came out. It looks very pretty. It's come out the way I envisioned it in my head, and when something comes out the way I envision it in my head, that's just the best. Uni really is turning me into a chef, guys. Prior to uni, I could not cook anything, but now I can cook sweet and sour chicken, and I can cook garlic, honey, pork, whatever it's called, I can cook it. But anyway, let's test the verdict. It's not too sweet. I didn't want it to be very sweet. It's not very sticky as well. I didn't want it to be very sticky. So yeah, I'd give it a 10 out of 10, obviously. Guys, cheers. It's Thursday. I have class today. And I'm just getting ready. Oh my god. Sorry. Did my own hair. This is my mom's wig. I pimped it up, guys. This is the glueless. Can you tell it's a glueless wig? No, you can't. Why? Because I did so. Let me just chill, please. One wig now. I think I'm a hairstylist. What time is it? 41. Please don't be windy. Nimbonika wino sana. Then it should be windy. That ain't fair. I'm gonna go for class now. And yeah, I'll bring you guys along. Hope I vlog. Sometimes I forget. But yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with you girls. I feel like y'all don't need love. You need somebody who could micromanage you. You know what I'm saying? Tell you right from wrong. Who's smart from who's a fool. Which utensil to use for which food. Like, I got a schedule to attend to though. I can't really